Hey guys, hope you all are doing well. In today's tutorial, we gonna learn how to increase your Snap score. So without wasting time, let's start. So open your Snapchat application. So first of all, I'm gonna show you my Snap score. Here we press on profile icon. Now here is my Snap score. It's 7153. Now go back and here I have a trick for you. Tap on plus icon there and find the multiple snap or multi snap option right there. After tapping on this, apply a filter or take a simple 10 shots like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9 10. Okay, now share all these snaps with your Snap friends. After sharing all these snaps with your Snap friends, go back and reopen your Snapchat application. Now I'm going to show you my Snap score. So here we go. By tapping on profile option, and now my Snap score is 7553. So that's the trick, that how we can increase our Snap score. Thank you for watching. So subscribe my channel for further cool tutorials. Have a good day.